2-car garage, already fenced in yard. Actually, my good friends live right next door. They're awesome people. So the downstairs is much nicer than the upstairs. The upstairs they never got around to updating before they left, but the downstairs, whoops, forgot to turn this light, is really awesome. So you've got really nice hardwood flooring, and you can pan and tilt this video in all sorts of directions. You've got a really nice updated downstairs bath with this cool natural wood sink top, which I really like. Plenty of storage. So you got closets all over the place. Laundry room down here with nice barn doors in there. I'll pull back so you can see it. Good 2-car garage. And then this is really awesome. So you got a really cool, nice, big, open concept family room and kitchen. I'll show you the yard real quick and then we'll go into the kitchen. Yard's fully fenced. The ducks live next door. That's their family. Duck. It's Mike and Kim and their kids. And they like to hang out in the yard. They're really good people to have next door. So fully fenced in yard for the dog. Parks are right around the corner. While I was here earlier, a gentleman pulled up and wanted to see it, and there's 4 more seeing it today. So lots of interest on this one. Really cool. Really cool kitchen. Built-in microwave down low. It's a Thor 5-burner top. It's a Sub-Zero fridge. You don't find this stuff in rentals, ever. I'll take you upstairs first, and then we'll go down to the basement last. The basement, it's unfinished. It's good for storage. Strongly recommend that if you end up here, you put your stuff on pallets, and I'll show you why I recommend that in a bit. So, big bedroom down at this end. No overhead lighting, which kind of stinks, but you can tell they were in the process of remodeling everything and just didn't get this far. Another good-sized bedroom down here. That's bedroom 1 and 2. Bedroom 3, right here. It needs paint. They moved quickly, so that's a conversation we can have with them about the paint situation. This is kind of the work, right? Just they never got to this bathroom, so it's blue. Fairly typical of what a lot of the houses look like around here for a very long time. I still see this very frequently. And then the master bedroom. Master bedroom is a good size. They did get this remodeled, which is nice. And there's the shower. As well as the big walk-in closet. So that's cool. And then we'll go down and take a peek in the basement real quick. And then I'm going to live FaceTime you guys as well. So you'll have this to go back and look at later if I can't get you with the live FaceTime. This kitchen is awesome. Really, really nice. You do have a dry basement, okay? There's French drains around it that'll keep your stuff from getting wet. Newer water heater, newer furnace. The reason I think you put your stuff up on pallets is the pipes here have limited life left in them. I anticipate they're gonna need to get replaced fairly soon. So that's a conversation you have with the landlord, and I would just be prepared for something to happen here. So anyway, I'm going to stop this recording and I'll upload it a little later.